This was my first ever attempt of growing garlic and it was a complete failure. Should have spent some time getting information about how to grow garlic, which I didn't do. I planted about 50 cloves of garlic in early June and which was already late by 2 months. By late July, early August, the temperature in Brisbane started to rise up, so my garlic plant started to dry up and it didn't get to properly form the garlic. In this video today, I'm gonna harvest some garlic which have been dried off the heat. Sadly, these garlic didn't have their full time to grow to their maturity. So they are very small and they're not even the half size of the garlic that they should be. Even if I leave them for any longer, they're not gonna grow any further. So I think it's best if I harvest them all. So I'm just gonna go and harvest another garlic and see whether it's any better. And this plant has been also dried off by the heat. So let's see how it is. I think this is not good either. It's looks like it's even smaller than the previous one. So I don't have any more hope and I don't think it's any good. So this is even much more smaller than previous garlic. So it is big failure for this year, but there is always room for learning and I have learned a few things by this mistake. I also had some time to gather information on how to grow garlic in subtropical regions. So hopefully better season next year and I'm really excited about that. So can't wait until next year, but I'm still not putting any pressure on myself. But I'll just see how things go next year. You never know, because if we have longer winter time, then I may even get the better outcome. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye for now.